I will give my opinion about the new President Prabowo. In my opinion, Mr. Prabowo is quite good at the moment he has service as president. Mr. Prabowo emphasized the importance of Indonesia becoming an independent country in the field of defense. Mr. Prabowo is active in promoting Indonesian defense relations with other countries, and I also like Mr. Prabowo as program which provide free food to students in Indonesia. Maybe that's all I can see about President Prabowo. The question word. When you want to ask a question in English, you often need to use a question word, but which is the right word to use? What function? Number 1, asking for information about something. Number 2, asking for repetition or confirmation. Number 3, asking for specific thing, object. What example stands? Number 1, what are you doing? Number 2, what can you hear you repeat that? Number 3, what did you cost? Number 4, what time is it? Number 5, what the matter? When function. Number 1, asking about time, occasion, moment. Number 2, combination to close that describe activities or event at the same time. Example sentence. Number 1, when do you finish calling? Number 2, when did daddy? Number 3, when can I see you? Number 4, when did you last see him? Where function. Asking in or at what place or position. Number 2, ask for location or place either where, to where, or from where. Where example stands. Where showing park. Number 2, where are Mimi boots? Number 3, where do you work? Number 4, where are you from? Which function. Asking about choice. Number 2, you should to donate something that is not common. Which example stands? Number 1, which dress do you want to buy? The left or that right now? Right 1. Which is better experience, swimming or tennis? Number 3, which of the application has good job? Who function. Asking what or which person or people, subject. Number 2, ask about person. Number 3, ask subject of the sense. Who example stands. Number 1, who is that woman? Number 2, who are you pointing? Number 3, who told you this story? Number 4, do you know who come? Number 5, who did you bought it for? Whom function. Asking what or which person or people, object. Number 2, asking about choice. Number 3, you should want to answer to the question is him, here, it, me, you, us, them, object pronoun. Whom example stands. Whom did you meet at the party? 3, 2, with whom I'm speaking. 3, whom did they expect to answer his phone? Whose function. Question word are used to know ownership or relationship between a subject and something. Whose example stands. Number 1, whose pencil is that? Is it yours? Number 2, whose code in you type? Number 3, whose can you artist? Number 4, whose round is it? By function. You should ask the reason for the occurrence of an event, action, occurrence, or situation. By example sentence. Number 1. Why didn't you call me? Number 2. Why were you late? Number 3. Why was you late? Number 4. Why are you calling her in the middle of a meeting? How many functions? Number 1. Asking about quantity. Number 2. Use it with countable nouns. Number 3. Use to ask for the number of objects whose unit can be counted. How many example sentences? Number 1. How many people were there? Number 2. How many days are there is January? Number 3. How many books did you like? Number 4. How many courses do you have? Thank you.